That's a nice deep puddle.
That was a dirty puddle. I'm so stuck. My daddy has a visitor. You want to guess who it is?
The lady?
What lady?
Your lady? His new lady friend?
Yeah. Yeah, his girlfriend.
Do you know what her name is?
I think. I forgot.
Okay. We'll call her lady friend then.
Yeah. I'm mad at my dad.
How come?
Because they have all that germs.
From the lady?
Yeah, and now I don't kiss my daddy on the cheek no more.
I think the cheek might be safe.
No?
Well, you do what you're comfortable with. This little kitty's got a big old nose like Harley,
Yeah.
the cat we used to have.
Maybe she's Harley.
Maybe. Harley got fixed, so he can't have any babies. Do you know that Harley and Hank share the same birthday? Uh-ohs.
That's cute.
Splish splash.
Oh, Wolverine.
You help?
I like this water.
Nice and muddy.
What a summer.
Mm-hmm.
What a long time ago. What it was summer. Me and my daddy was taking a mud bath.
Yeah?
Yeah,
That's awesome.
Somewhere where the mud is.
Mm-hmm.
We just made mud. First, we found this big hole here. We put all the dirt on there.
Yeah?
We put some water and then we start lifting up and we start taking our shirt off, having fun, all messy.
That's awesome. That's a good memory.
It's okay. It's nothing.
Looks like fun.
Oh God! Ah! It's an alligator!
Ah!
Alligator!
You see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
There's a crocodile, so be careful.
I see a shark.
I see a mermaid hair.
Hey, Bubs.
I see the mermaid hair.
Mermaid hair. What color is it?
Take our shirt off.
Dive in.
Like this. Did you watch Little Einstein? It goes like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We going on a trip. What a favorite rocket ship. On through the sky. A little Einstein. Climb aboard. We're ready to explore. A little Einstein, yeah. You know Little Einstein?
I do not know that one. That's a great song.
I know Little Einstein is a movie.
What you got, babe? Ooh, the sprinklers.
I'm gotta go first.
You know that whenever we see somebody with dark curly hair, he points out, Zeke, Zeke.
I'm gonna take a look.
Hey, little baby. Meow. I wish we could play with you. You're a cutie. We're just teasing you. I'm sorry.
And watch this. I'm gonna spread it everywhere.
Okay, hang on. Okay.
Yeah?
Hank, come here. Hank, come here, baby. Come here. Come here, baby boy. Good boy. Good listening. All right, go for it.
Are you sure?
Go for it.
Okay.
Woo!
It'll dry up. Can we see the video of it?
When we're done, sure. We're at 5.5 minutes.
These are my new pants, you know. It's okay.
I told you, if you think you're going to get in trouble, don't do it.
Well, I know.
You're old enough to know if you're going to get in trouble for it or not. But I know you're a kid. Sometimes it's too irresistible.
What? I'm gonna go dry up in the sun.
Okay. Hanky, can you shout hooray?
What?
Hooray, good boy. Can you wave? Can you say bye-bye? Hanky, can you say bye-bye?